from the tropical lands of Vietnam, where coconuts, soursops, lychees and pineapples are freshly harvested every day. A&B Vietnam, where natural freshness begins the journey of quality. Inside our R&D centre, innovation never stops. Our experts craft new beverage formulas to meet the diverse tastes of global consumers. From the lab to our modern factories, each can is crafted with care and precision, ensuring quality that meets international standards, trusted in more than 70 countries worldwide. At international fairs, A&B Vietnam products proudly stand among global brands, a symbol of trust, creativity and Vietnamese pride. A&B Vietnam is committed to continuous improvement, delivering ever better quality to partners around the world.
Welcome to A&B Vietnam!